guys, today Lounge here. Today we're playing Roblox. Yeah, we're playing Roblox. Wait, what's this thing? Why does that thing go smell a coin? Who's that? What is that thing? I'm panicking because there's an earthquake. Oh. Help me! I don't think this is a safe idea, but no, it's definitely not a safe idea. What's that noise? No! What's that noise? Okay. What's that? Okay. What was that thing? Wow! Oh, what could possibly go wrong? There's no earthquake happening here. See. Oh my goodness! Oh! Help me! A huge explosion happened. I'm probably not that scared, but I'm intrigued, please. But there's a huge explosion. Are you serious? I'm just a floating elf. I'm just a floating head. Okay. Don't shoot me, Crater. I'm a tree. Yeah, don't mind me, a tree with wet hair. Don't mind me. Okay. Why is it playing dramatic music? Anyways. Well, okay. Why did it just got quiet for a second? Ooh! Ow, that hurt. Wee! La 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 la. Okay, what can possibly go on now? Since I turned to... Yeah, guys. Ow, help me! Ooh, there's a coin. There's a coin. What was that? There's a coin. Ow! Why'd that get hurt? Did I just say hurt? Why am I not even English that well? Help me, please, please. Come on, is my English this bad? Okay, help me. I'm real. Help me, help me. Go look. What's that? Ow! My person died. That thing couldn't possibly kill me. What was that? My person died. Why are people happy? Oh, come on! Why are people happy? Oi! Why are you happy, people? We never liked you. Trees are racist. No, they're not. Oi! Trees are not racist. I'm a tree. Attack! Help me! Okay, let me go so fast. You stupid tree! Attack! Did I just say you stupid tree? Okay, what do you call a 3M camo? Butthole. That's what you call them. That's so funny. That's so funny. That's so funny. Funny, why? You see, that joke was so good. What do you call a 3M camera? Butthole. What just happened? What just happened? Why? What is this? What just happened? What? Oh. Okay. Trees are not racist. Yes, they are. Oi! They're not gonna kill you, you little... Oi! Trees are not racist. Oh, I'm gonna kill you, you little... Bow! What do you call a Theo camel? Pregnant. Yay! Is that good or not? Yeah, that's good. are so cool.
Take that.
Please don't cut down the tree! Yeah, please don't cut down the tree. Please. Ah! Wow! That was a fail. That was a fail. That was such a big fail. I'll get you, whoever's doing this. Oh yeah, it's just me adding the sounds, but that's just me adding. Ow! Ooh, this lovely pair of house. This lovely house. What could possibly go wrong? Nothing bad could happen. Oh, this house just obliterated. Help me! Ah! Help me! Why am I not English? Help me! I can't hold it in. It got to come out. I can't. Oh, felt so. Oh. Ew. Yeah, I couldn't hold it in, guys. I couldn't hold it in. I couldn't hold it in.